Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your funds with Bitpay easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin recovering your funds with Bitpay, open your web browser. Navigate to the Bitpay website. Log into your Bitpay account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the wallet section. Locate the transaction for which you want to recover funds. Click on the transaction to view its details. Check the status of the transaction to see if it is pending, completed, or failed. If the transaction is pending, it may take some time for the funds to be available. If it is completed but you still don't see the funds, look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts provided to initiate a refund request. Fill out any necessary information, including the reason for the refund. Submit the refund request and keep an eye on your email for any updates. If the transaction has failed, Bitpay may automatically initiate a refund. Check the activity section in your wallet for updates on your request. If you have issues, contact Bitpay support through their official support page. Provide them with your transaction details for quicker assistance. Be patient as their support team reviews your request. Once resolved, the funds should be returned to your wallet. Make sure to monitor your wallet regularly for any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.